PharmChem's 175 RPM gear-reduced mixer drive unit is designed to mix product within 170 or 275-gallon cage tanks for up to 30 minutes while being easy to use. It runs clockwise or counterclockwise and installs onto an impeller so it can move from tank to tank without ever touching the product. Here's a brief walkthrough on how to set up and use. Before starting, you're going to need an impeller and a mixer shaft. Both are sold separately. We'll be using a Schutz impeller for this installation. Setup is simple. Put the impeller in the tote and tighten the cap. Then slide the mixer shaft into the opening of the lid until it snaps in place. Put the mixer on the tote, then line up the yellow drive motor coupler with the hitch of the mixer shaft. Plug in the mixer and you're good to go. Operation is done by using the two boxes in front. To start the mixer, find the timer in one of the boxes and set a time on it. It has a max time limit of 30 minutes. The other box houses the switch that allows you to run clockwise or counterclockwise depending on the impeller you are using. For more information on this mixer drive unit or to order, call us at 800-247-1854 or visit shop.pharmchem.com.